Hey, what's going on, fellas? I've got a 2006 F250 here, and I'm using this truck to point out to you the location of some important fuses and relay for the operation of the air conditioning. So let's first pop down in here. There are two fuses in this location that are important for the AC. And the first one I'm going to point out to you provides power to the AC relay. So that's going to be this fuse right here, number 23. If this fuse is blown, it will be impossible for your air conditioning to work, as power from that fuse is needed to energize that relay. Now, if you've got a diesel F250, you'll also want to check the fuse above that one. On a diesel, that fuse provides power to the cooling fan. Now, heading under the hood, this is where we'll find the AC relay, the AC fuse. I'm also going to give you some troubleshooting steps. So everything for us to check is behind this cover here, which we remove by pushing in on the tab here and lifting up. The main AC fuse is this 10 amp fuse right here. This provides power to the AC relay for use in engaging the AC compressor clutch. And your AC relay, of course, is going to be this relay right here. Now, my favorite way to troubleshoot these relays is I'll have the truck running with the AC turned on, and then I'll tap on the relay. I'll also grab the relay and wiggle it from side to side. Sometimes relays get stuck in the off position, and by tapping on the relay or wiggling in it, you can, kick it on, so to speak. So if you tap on it or wiggle it, if the AC kicks on, you know the relay is probably bad. Now, next step, you can pull that relay out, and you can swap in one of these other relays. The two relays to the side of it are for the trailer, and so you can swap that into the AC relay's position. And if after the swap your AC starts to work, then you know that the problem was probably that relay. Now, diving a little deeper on diagnosing this setup, you can see I've got some color-coded pins here. Let's first start with the AC fuse here. This provides constant power to this pin right here. The other power pin of the relay is this pin. This pin receives power from fuse 23, the fuse that's in the dash that I showed you earlier. Now, the relay is computer controlled. When the powertrain control module wants the AC to turn on, it will provide a ground to this pin. So if you never do see a ground coming in through here when you have the AC turned on, you need to investigate why the powertrain control module is choosing to not engage the AC. It could be that you don't have enough Freon in the system, or you could have a check engine light on for misfiring. There's a lot that can go on with that, and you may need a scan tool to figure it out. Now, when this relay is engaged, it takes the power from the 10 amp fuse here, and it sends that power into this pin right here. Now, you can bypass the relay if you take a wire and manually connect these two pins together. You will be manually engaging the AC. That's just a temporary troubleshooting step, and you have to be careful in doing that, as you can cause damage to your AC compressor or your engine or your AC system by manually engaging the AC. This is especially true if your Freon is undercharged or overcharged, or if your truck is overheating or misfiring. So that's just a temporary troubleshooting step. So yeah, I hope this information was helpful for you. Please do let me know if you have any questions, or more importantly, if you have any advice about troubleshooting the AC on your F250.